5 seconds to go. Start. It is the bounden duty of a court of law to uphold the truth, and truth means absence of deceit, absence of fraud, and in a criminal investigation, a real and fair investigation, not an investigation that reveals itself as a sham one. Stop. It is not acceptable. Stop. It has to be kept uppermost in mind that impartial and truthful investigation is imperative. Stop. If there is indentation or concavity in the investigation, can the faith in investigation be regarded as the gospel truth? Sign of interrogation. Will it have the sanctity or the purity of a genuine investigation? Sign of interrogation. If a grave suspicion arises with regard to the investigation, should a constitutional court close its hands and accept the proposition that as the trial has commenced, the matter is beyond it? Sign of interrogation. That is the tour de force of the prosecution, and if we allow ourselves to say so, it has become id fixe. But in our view, the imperium of the constitutional courts cannot be stifled or smoothed. Stop. Of course, the suspicion must have some sort of base and foundation, and not a figment of one's wild imagination. Stop. One may think an impartial investigation would be a nostrum, but not doing so would be like playing possum. Stop. As has been stated earlier, facts are self-evident, and the grieved protagonist, a person belonging to the lower strata, stop. He should not harbor the feeling that he is an orphan under law. Stop. Para. Now, so far as the reliance placed upon the decision of this court in the case of Vinu Bhai and others supra, relied upon on behalf of the respondent accused is concerned, it is required to be noted that in the said decision, this court was considering the powers of the magistrate. Stop. Even in the said decision, it is observed and held that there is no good reason given by the court as to why a magistrate's powers to order further investigation would suddenly cease upon process being issued. Stop. It is further observed that power of the police to further investigate the offence continues right till the stage the trial commences. Stop. It is further observed that Article 21 of the Constitution is not less than the powers that have been given by the magistrate, demands no less than a fair and just investigation. Stop. In paragraph 42 as such, it is observed and held as under, para. There is no good reason given by the court in these decisions as to why a magistrate's powers to order further investigation would suddenly cease upon process being issued, and an accused appearing before the magistrate, while concomitantly, the power of the police to further investigate the offence continues right till the stage the trial commences. Stop. Such a view would not accord with the earlier judgments of this court. Stop. Having clearly held that a criminal trial does not begin after cognizance is taken, but only after charges are framed. Stop. What is not given any importance at all in the recent judgments of this court is Article 21 of the Constitution, and the fact that the article demands no less than a fair and just investigation. Stop. To say that a fair and just investigation would lead to the conclusion that the police retain the power, subject, of course, to the magistrate's nod. Stop.